questionnaire is used to get the initial data from the user, which the algorithm can use to suggest the games that they should be doing at the time. So we're going to go ahead and start the questionnaire. As you can see, there's a progress bar along the top of the screen that shows what question they're on, with a question number and the actual question. So we'll fill that out. You can choose which answer you want just by pressing. You tap the button to confirm and then next. And you go ahead and fill that out for the rest of the questions. You can see that you cannot progress unless you do select a question, so it's more secure, and so there's no empty answers. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill this in with random information. Then once you get to question 10, that should be the last question, and then you hit finish, and then that will submit to the database those answers. So that should only come up once, the questionnaire. So I'll go ahead, I'll exit the app as well, and then I can re-enter it, and no questionnaire should come up this time, just should be brought to the main page, and here we are. So first we can begin now by using the diary. We can select a date to enter information on, so we'll go ahead and click the first and view it. No data is found yet for that date in the database, so we can go ahead and fill things in. So we can enter something like the day was good, maybe. Can adjust on the slider the hours of physical activity, interaction, and sleep. When you save it, you can see the data is inserted into the database. So you can enter for as many of the days as you want. If you go back onto the same day that you've already entered a record on and press view, you can see at the bottom that there's already data found here, so you're notified that data's already been entered for this. So now we have some other pages, and we can go and view those by using the navigation bar, which can be found in the top left corner. We're on the navigation now, and we can go ahead and maybe take a look at the more information page. That's just some information that the user might need. We have the games page where we have a bunch of different games, so we can try this first one. There we are, that should have been saved into the database. We can try the maths quiz, so 0. Maybe we can do a few more, and something wrong, and another one, maybe that's right, so that's definitely -5. And there we go, it tells you if you're correct or wrong. Emotional recognition, so that's wrong, definitely wrong. And then the scenario game, so you can drag the responses down and up, and then the order will be saved into the database as well. So all of those should have appended to the database tables, and at the very end I will show you the tables in the SQL tool. If we go and look at the statistics, at the moment we have graphs to show the scores for the maths quiz. So before I managed to score 3 correct, so if we go on to here, it says for today, which is the 3rd of May, the bar chart goes up to 3, which was the score that we did. So that also works. And so yeah, the user can participate in these games every day, and the score will be inserted in the database and can be shown through the graphs. And once used for about a week, we can predict maybe the better games for them to use based on their information. But yeah, thank you for watching.